Hello and welcome on Infinity Plus. This is Kaushal Sharma. In this video, we will learn to make a simple collar nut and bolt, and it is very easy to design the nut and bolt in Fusion 360. I will show you all the easiest way and method to design nut and bolt in Fusion 360. So let's get started. Go to the create sketch and now select the plane. First we have to make bolt, so we are making M12 bolt and select the circle. So we will give 12 mm diameter to this circle. So finish the sketch and now extrude up to 60 mm. This is the length of this bolt. Now next step is the head of bolt. So go to on the again this create sketch and choose the polygon. So give the 10 mm radius to this polygon. Now we will make the constraint and select the point of the bolt and the next is we have to make a circle up to the corner of the polygon. Now finish the sketch. So now extrude the circle up to 7.5 mm and do the flat on the upper edge of this circle, 2 mm radius. And now we have to extrude the polygon, but we will make the new body. Okay, now we will separate these two bodies from the lower part of the bolt. So now go to construct and take offset up to 60 mm. Select the plane and give 60 mm height and OK. Now go to split body and select the body and select the setting tool, that is plane. OK, this is splitted now. And now what we'll do, we will combine this body 2 and body 3. Both these bodies we have to combine, but choose the intersect, so the remaining part will be shown common part. And now extrude this. .5. Okay, so next step is thread. We have to give the thread to our bolt. So go to create and choose the thread. So we have to make a collar nut and select I will select the design for the threads, that is M12. One is pitch and modeled. I have to select some length, that is 45 mm for the our threads of the bolt, 45 mm. Okay, it's okay. Now you can see this, it's looking like this. Now again we have to make next step is our nut. For the nut we have to take a offset. We have to take a offset. So go to the construct and choose the offset, and next we will give the 30 mm height, and now select this plane and go to create a sketch. So similarly make the 20 mm circle, and inner circle is 12 mm for our bolt, and finish, and hide this body and do the extrude to our sketch. So I will give the 10 mm height of the nut. So now again go to the sketch and give the polygon shape by choosing the polygon, incredible polygon. Now I will give the 10 mm radius to our polygon. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to do fillet to the both the side of our nut. So 2 mm radius. Okay, so again we will do the extrude to our polygon up to 10 mm minus 10 mm and do the intersect. Okay, so it's looking nice. So what is remaining? Thread is remaining. So give the thread the same one. Yes, modeled. Click on modeled and okay. So it's looking like this. Now see both the combination of nut and bolt. Hide the construct and sketch. Now we will create component from the body and give the rename, that is bolt, BOLT. Next, same for this, same for nut. So do right click and go to create component from the body and give the rename nut. So it is over now. So what we have to do, we have to see the section analysis of our nut and bolt. So we can see the exact fitting of this nut and bolt through this feature. So you can see this is very fine and good meshing of our nut and bolt to each other. Now hide the analyze, and so this is our final design and we have completed our design. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question related this video, don't forget to comment in the comment box. I will give your replies, and don't forget to share as well. I hope to see you soon in another video. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe Infinity Plus.